Good morning, everyone. My name is Kajal Pant, and I am going to give a presentation on Aryabhat. The moment we hear the word Aryabhat, zero is what comes to our mind, but a lot of us don't know that he has discovered and invented a lot many other things than just inventing zero. He is a true success story of how hard work and dedication can make you a great person. Basic information. आर्यभट्ट का जन्म 476 सीई में कुसुमपुरा जो कि कैपिटल है पाटलिपुत्र इन द गुप्ता एरा वहाँ पर माना जाता है। प्रेजेंट डे में उनके बर्थ प्लेस को माना जाता है कि वो बिहार पटना में है। हिज मोस्ट नोटेबल वर्क इज़ आर्यभाटिया एंड आर्य सिद्धांत। उनका निधन 550 सीई में हुआ था। इंट्रोडक्शन। Aryabhatta is the first in the line of great mathematician astronomers from the classical age of Indian mathematics and Indian astronomy. Aryabhatta, the great scientist and mathematician from India, was born in a small place in Bihar. He was one of the greatest minds of the millennium who discovered the basis of mathematics that children are taught today in every school around the world. His most famous works are Aryabhatiya and Arya Siddhant. Education. According to some researchers, it was found that he went to Kusumpura for advanced studies and lived there. ये भी माना जाता है कि उन्होंने हिंदू के साथ साथ बुद्धिस्ट ट्रेडिशन में भी स्टडीज़ करी थी. It is believed that he might have been the head of Nalanda University. He set up an observatory at the Sun Temple in Tarigana, Bihar. Aryabhat's contribution in mathematics. He had acquired vast knowledge in the field of mathematics. Aryabhat's contribution in mathematics is unparalleled. He suggested formula to calculate the area of a triangle and a circle which were correct. He contributed greatly to the field of mathematics. He discovered various trigonometrical functions which are useful for us in the modern era too. He discovered the value of pi. Also, he founded the place value system and zero, which are one of his major contributions in the history of mathematics. He also contributed immensely towards astronomy. Aryabhatta is the author of several treatises on mathematics and astronomy, some of which are lost. His book Aryabhatiya deals with topics like astronomy, spherical trigonometry, arithmetic algebra, and plane trigonometry. उनकी जो बुक थी आर्यभाट्या उसको फर्दर ट्रांसलेट किया गया था लैटिन में इन 13th सेंचुरी और इस ट्रांसलेटेड वर्जन से यूरोपियन मैथमेटिशियंस ने सीखा टू कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स, वॉल्यूम्स ऑफ स्पेयर्स एज वेल एज हाउ टू फाइंड द स्क्वायर एंड क्यूब रूट. The mathematical part of Aryabhatta covers arithmetic, algebra, plane trigonometry, and spherical trigonometry. It also contains continued fractions, quadratic equations, sum of power series, and a table of signs. The Arya Siddhant, a lot work on astronomical computations, is known through the writings of Aryabhat's contemporary Varamihara and later mathematicians and commentators including Brahmagupta and Bhaskara first. This work appears to be based on the older Surya Siddhant and uses the midnight day reckoning as opposed to sunrise in Aryabhatiya. Conclusion. The contributions of a scientist since Aryabhatta has never been the same. He truly made the world notice India in terms of holding scientific knowledge and value that actually made a difference to the world. He challenged and contradicted many beliefs that were going on at the time and through calculations provided pieces of evidences for it to be true. I would like to conclude by saying that life of Aryabhatta has to be taught to children all around the world because his life is filled with stories of inspiration and struggles. Having been brought into a humble family, he overcome all the odds and discovered various things in mathematics, astronomy, and physics. To stand up against the entire society of blind belief and establish scientific theories thousands of years back was in itself a great accomplishment by him. It was because of his inventions that many other inventions were given birth to. The people of India and People of the world owes a great amount of gratitude to this great scientist and mathematician. Thank you.